I heard Warsaw Yiddish spoken for the first time when Sholem Asch spoke in Madison Square Garden to the left wing, where he had taken refuge after Abe Khan drove him out of the Forward and out of official Jewish life because of his books, The Nazarene and Mary. And he spoke to, it was either the Freiheit rally of 20,000 in Madison Square Garden or the Jewish People's Fraternal Order. And er hat sich weggestellt und gesagt, Sach is man Sach. And my cohort of 60 or 70 students at the School for Higher Jewish Education fell down laughing. We had never heard this southern, Warsaw Yiddish. And my father, who grew up in the heart of Warsaw, didn't speak that way. My sister tells me that she questioned him, and he said that when he came to America, deliberately trained himself out of that Warsaw dialect because he felt it was, he would be laughed at, and that it was like someone from the hills of Alabama. Sach is man Sach, y'all.